Hey, it's Mike Greenlee again, and I have another wonderful offering for you. This investment piece of property is located along US Route 33, just a short distance out of Spencer. This piece of property was an old motel years ago, and the people who own it now, they went through and they have renovated 2/3 of it. And it is just like brand new inside. It is really great. You'll see some of these pictures and videos of this facility. Some of the facility is used for month-to-month rentals. There is lots of folks that come in here that work for an oil and gas company or construction company or road bridge company, things like that. So those guys, they have this end of the facility, and some of the rooms even has a washer and dryer in the room, one of the smaller washer and dryers. But if not, there is a washer and dryer available there on the facility with coffee and just a little all hands on deck type of place. Anybody can go in there. It is, of course, another way to increase your income. Here is one of the rooms that's in there, and this one is typically going to be an Airbnb type of room. It has a kitchen and a bedroom and a bathroom, and it's a pretty good sized little room. It's not huge, but pretty good size in there. And of course, as you can see, everything is shiny and new, and everything works great. New flooring in these, of course, heating and cooling as well. The whole facility was re-roofed with, of course, steel roof, so it will outlast most people. This is the cafe-like area I was talking about, with the washer and dryer and the coffee bar and snacks is all in there. This is one of the more long-term type stays. People is going to be there at least a month. With it, it's got a little fireplace, kitchen, the efficiency washer and dryer, as well as a bigger bedroom, bathroom type area. This is going to be a short stay type room, Airbnb. It does not have the kitchen facility in with it. But right across the street is a very nice Mexican restaurant. Those guys do a great job. Their food is good and clean. This area here, they've got a place for you to have a fire pit of the evening, sit around, drink a beer or something. And then to your right, that is the older building. Well, I should say, is the building that has not been rehabbed yet. On the far end of this building, there's a section in which a corporation used to keep rented all the time. Kelwood Corporation had it, which is a pretty good sized area that they used for their salespeople that would come in, or maybe a corporate partner, some stature or whatever, would stay in those rooms, and they kept it rented all the time, so they would always have something. Which can be a problem here in Spencer, because this is the only hotel in Spencer. It was the only hotel in Spencer. So you don't really have any competition, which is a wonderful thing too. Now across the street from this piece of property is another lot, and if you needed more space, if there was another venture in which you wanted to take, then there's room down in there to build it. There's city water, city sewer, three-phase power, all that is available there. The additional lot right there, that's $29,000.